In this video, I will guide you on how to save YouTube videos to watch offline. If you want to watch YouTube videos offline, then simply follow these steps. First of all, open the YouTube app. Now go ahead and search for a video that you want to save. Now you will find a couple of options over here. You want to select the one that says download. Go ahead and select that. Now you will have to select the download quality. You can select either medium or low. If you want full HD or high, you will have to subscribe to YouTube Premium. Once that is done, tap on the download option. Now as you can see, your video is being downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, you simply want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and here you should find the option of download. Select that, and from here you can simply tap it open and watch this video even when you're offline. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.